Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be looking at Manscaped. We're going to be reviewing their Perfect Package 3.0 kit, and they are pretty much the only brand that is dedicated to below the waist grooming and hygiene, and we are going to be checking out the sweet 3.0 Perfect Package, which has everything you need to get your groom on and stay fresh and clean, because we all want that. You know, it's 2020, almost 2021, and you want to start the year off right, so why not try this out? So let's get into it. Let's see what it's about. You know, I'm really excited to try the Lawn Mower itself, the 3.0 one, which is new and improved. So let's go check what's in this bad boy right here. So a really great thing is it comes in really discreet packaging, like this black bag here. Obviously I've ripped open it, but it's really discreet. It's not one of those brands that's going to spoil if it's a gift or if it's for yourself and you're a little bit shy. It's not going to spoil anything because all the goods are inside that black bag and it's right here. So as you can see, lovely packaging, very, very nice. And when you open it up like so, it says your balls will thank you, and they definitely will once you get your hands on this amazing little kit here. So we're gonna go through each one. I'm really excited to show you guys what's in it. Listen up, fellas, because today we have a new product alert brought to you by Manscaped.com. Now, Manscaped is one of my favorite men's brands for grooming and hygiene, and I have a lot of their products. I generally have long nose hair that is a pain to be pulled out, and I've damaged the inside of my nose doing so. But by using the Weed Whacker, it has really streamlined the process. My nose feels so much better, and it comes with that same great SkinSafe technology the Lawn Mower does. It also features a 9,000 RPM motor with a 360-degree rotary dual blade system. And it is also water resistant and is one of the only ones on the market with a cordless rechargeable lithium ion battery that lasts for up to 90 minutes of use. The code on the screen will give you 20% off and free shipping right now. So my eyes are a bit watery because it does tickle a little bit, but still it gets the job done. Also, you can get a replaceable blade every 3 months when you select the Peak Hygiene Plan with your purchase. Go check it out right now. So this is the Lawn Mower itself. You can see here, very beautiful, very sleek, nice grip to hold with as well. It's got a clipper attachment on the top so you can adjust how much you want to take off, and that's what it looks like when it's just by itself. And then when you turn it on, it's got this little LED light which really guides, you can see on my arm, really guides where you're going so you can get a more precise trim along. And like, I'm even putting it against my skin and there's no pain, nothing. This was one of my own stylers that I have. I would feel the nicks already. So the great thing about this, because it's got that advanced safety feature with it, it's not going to nick your skin. So when you are, you know, trimming those important areas that are very sensitive, you're not going to cut them, you're not going to bleed, and you're not going to be in pain. So this is really great at, you know, helping you glide along and getting your trim on. It comes with this little docking station, which actually looks really nice in your bathroom or wherever you want to lay this. It's, you know, it's a piece. It's really sets the vibe of your space and shows that you care about your body. So that's what it looks like. It comes with this really nice little charging USB docking station. We also have this ball deodorant, which is called the Crop Preserver, which is like this. Now this is anti-chafing and it is very fast absorbing. It's clear. I'll put some out here, my finger. Ooh. It really dries in fast, and it's really great if you suffer from chafing at all, or you know, any friction at all from when you are, you know, wearing your underwear. Especially a lot of men have this issue. This is really great because it helps reduce that kind of problem, and it smells really good, really fresh. I really like the scent of this as well. I didn't know ball deodorant was a thing, but with what they're saying with the anti-chafing, it's not been an issue for me, but I know there's a lot of guys out there that probably could have this issue. So you don't have to worry about this getting on your clothes. You just, you know, have your shower, which I think is, you know, dry. Add a little bit of this on and you'll be good to go. And it's made without sulfates, parabens, or dyes, and it's gentle on the skin and it's vegan, so that's even better. The next bit you get in the kit is the Crop Reviver Ball Toner. Another thing I did not know we needed to have, but hey, let me give this a little spritz. Let's spritz it first, right? Oh, they all have that same signature scent, and it's a really nice musky. It's really fresh but musky at the same time, and I love that. Oh, lovely. Refreshing as well, just like what it's meant to do. So this is going to be your odor defense. This is for if you are going too hard at the gym, it's hot weather outside, you just need a little refresh. You know, you would use a spray mist on your face. Well, you can use these on your balls. So basically a little goes a long way, as you can see. sparing the amount is always quite good. So it's made with aloe and witch hazel, which soothes and keeps you cool. So even on your most sensitive areas, not even just your balls, you can use other places. Pretty great. I actually can't stop spraying it because it's that good. Especially the smell. The smell is amazing. All right, so underneath, there's more goodies underneath. It's like one of those boxes of chocolates where there's another tray underneath, and we just all love that, right? So you know when you're trimming and hair goes everywhere, we all have that moment. Well, fret not, my friend. They include the Magic Mat, which is this fun little newspaper that is disposable. So basically all your trimmings are in one place and you can dispose of it and get rid of it. But it also has some funny things on there as well that you can read. There's a lot of content. If you are stuck on the toilet waiting to trim, afterwards you got something to read and you got something to collect all the mess afterwards. So what's really cool is that when you purchase the Perfect Package 3.0 kit online at manscaped.com, you'll also get 2 free gifts: the Shed Travel Bag and the High Performance Anti-Chafing Manscaped Boxer Briefs. So you're getting such good value for your money. I'm going to show you the Shed Travel Bag, which is right here. It's this really nice, sturdy bag. Looks like this. I love it. The black and the brown, really nice. A really great little travel wash bag. If you travel a lot, this is really nice too. I really like it. It's got like a little, pocket on the inside, little zip, so you can keep your items that would be more likely to spill out. You can put them in there as well if they're small enough. That's that. Really like that. Really great to have if you're traveling. We have the Performance Boxer Briefs. So these are a microfiber blend, which is always good because microfiber is really breathable. Oh, these are silky smooth. So that's what they look like. They are super sleek. Microfiber is really great and really breathable. Really great for your balls to breathe in. You're kept cool and ventilated. So we love a microfiber moment. So really like these. Nice great band on them as well. Yeah, really great piping stitching going down. This actually will stay on your leg quite well for a boxer brief because of this line that goes down here. Really love that. That's quite fun. So, you get these with the pack as well, which I think is a really great bargain. The other great thing about these is if you are on the website, you'll see that they go up to a 3XL. You also can shop confidently knowing that they have a 30-day money back guarantee on these if you want a different size. So that's really great. So if you don't really know your size, you can try and find out and they will replace it for you, which is really good. So I'm going to show you how simple it is to remove this. You're basically just going to put your thumb, I don't know if I can show you on here properly. You're going to put your thumb like this, hold it like that, and you pull forward. Just going to pull gently forward. Slots out. Amazing. So simple. And then what you're going to do is when you get your new blade, put it in like this. There you go. How simple is that? You're ready to go tackle anything. So Manscaped has a peak hygiene plan as well, so you can opt in and you can get all your favorites replenished. You just go into your Manscaped account profile and it should all be there. You can opt in for what you want frequently and it will kind of cater to your needs, essentially. You also get a new blade every 3 months because obviously hygiene is key. You want to make sure you're replacing your blades so you're keeping, hygiene friendly. You're not getting all that bacteria stored in there. So it's good to replace them and it's every 3 months. So I have also heard that each cycle you get something replenished, there will be a free gift. So you are always in the loop for the new and exclusive items and you will always have something new and fun. Other than your essentials, of course. I really love the trimmer itself because of how sleek and easy it is to use. I really love the LED that you can see there. That's amazing. I love that. I love that it's waterproof as well. You can use this in the shower. You can use this on practically any body part. I really like this compared to other brands. It really stands. There's actually no comparison. You can't compare it because it's a totally unique product itself. And I highly suggest checking them out. If you haven't already, go check them out. If you check them out right now, you get 20% off, you get free shipping, and you get 2 free gifts, which is the Shed Travel Bag and the boxers. So what more could you ask for? So if you use the code right here, I'm gonna leave it right here for you guys, code here, use it right here, you will basically get all of those free gifts and you will save a lot more because that bundle is amazing. So go check them out, guys, over at manscaped.com. I'm really happy to be working them on this video. So, go give them, some love. I know this would make an amazing gift for someone and I definitely would recommend trying them and giving them to a friend for this holiday season. This is definitely on my holiday gift guide for you guys. I wanted to show you this because I love it personally, and they were great enough to send these over. So thank you, Manscaped, for this holiday gift guide essential this Christmas. So that's it for me, guys, and this amazing device here. I hope you guys have an awesome day wherever you may be, and make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more content, turn that notification bell on so you're notified whenever I upload a new video, and you can join the family here on my channel. And leave a comment down below if you've tried Manscaped or if you're going to try them, and let me know what you think. I hope you guys are staying safe, and until next time, I hope you're having a really nice festive period, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys. So the video you're just watching has just ended, but don't worry, you can go watch one of my old videos right here, or you can go and subscribe right here and be notified when my next video comes out so you don't have to miss any of the action. So thank you, and goodbye.